Samanya. It is the very first theory mentioned in Ayurveda and is given utmost importance because it is the basic principle of treatment. Let us understand the concept of Samanya and its applications. नित्यम् एक अनेका अनुगतं सामान्यं द्रव्यगुणकर्मवृत्तिः. The eternal unique factor of many similar things is known as Samanya. It is of three types: Dravya Samanya, Guna Samanya, and Karma Samanya. Nityatve sati aneka samavettatvam samanya. The word samanya denotes jati, group. It is nitya, constant, eka, one, aneka samavettatvam, meaning the union of many. Sarvada sarvabhavanam samanyam vruddhi karanam. Samanya always causes aggravation or vruddhi. Samanyam ekatva. Samanya causes uniformity or uniqueness or ekatva, oneness in aneka samabhava. Tulyarthatha hi samanyam. The similar collective knowledge of things is known as samanya. Types of samanya. According to Chakrapani, samanya is of three types: Dravya samanya, Guna samanya, and Karma samanya. Samanya is further divided into two types: Ekavrutti samanya, Ubhayavrutti samanya. According to Tarka Sangraha, Parasamanya, Aparasamanya, Paraparasamanya. And according to Bhattar Harishchandra, Samanya is divided into three types: Atyanta Samanya, Madhyama Samanya, Ekadasha Samanya. Now, let's have a further detailed study on the classification of Samanya according to Chakrapani and its practical use in the treatment. Dravya Samanya. The Dravya similar to the body that corrects the depletion is known as Dravya Samanya. When plasma concentrate in blood is depleted, giving plasma itself, blood plasma transfusion is Dravya Samanya. Rakta Dhatu Shay. When Rakta Dhatu is depleted in the body, giving Rakta Dhatu itself, blood transfusion is Dravya Samanya. In the case of Mamsa Dhatu Kshaya, when Mamsa Dhatu is depleted in the body, giving Mamsa Dhatu itself is Dravya Samanya. Guna Samanya. Qualitative dravya are used as ahar or aushad to compensate the depletion of body components is known as Guna Samanya. In the case of Rakta Dhatu Shay, when Rakta Dhatu is depleted in the body, giving dravyas like palakya, spinach, dadim, pomegranate, corrects the depletion in the body. Similarly, in the case of Mamsa Dhatu Kshaya, when Mamsa Dhatu is depleted in the body, giving dravyas like masha, black gram, corrects this depletion in the body. In case of Shukra Dhatu Kshaya, when Shukra Dhatu is depleted in the body, giving dravyas like dugdha, milk, because they have similar gunas. Karma Samanya. Depleted components of the body are corrected by karma, physical and mental work, and is known as Karma Samanya. Agni Deepana. When the digestive fire is depleted in body, snana, having a bath early in the morning before food, helps to restore the digestion. In the case of Kapha Kshaya, when Kapha Kshaya is observed in the body, that is weakness, Shaya Sukhava Nidra, Complete bed rest or sleep helps to restore the depletion of kapha in the body. Similarly, in the case of Vatakshaya, when Vatakshaya in the body is seen, which is reduced physical activities, then Vyayama exercises helps to regulate the Vata in the body